Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn and Grow. Today I am discussing instrumentation for UV visible source. First, what is spectroscopy? Spectroscopy is a technique in which we are studying about interaction of light with matter. So this is your light source for instrumentation of UV visible source. This is your monochromator which change पोरोक्रोमेटिक लाइट इनटू मोनोक्रोमेटिक लाइट मीन सिंगल बीम की लाइट में आपको इसको कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं. दिस इज योर मिरर्स देन ये दैट मिरर्स रिफ्लेक्ट योर लाइट into a single beam convert into two beams. If one is having I1 I0, this is another wave. Then this is your sample. When this light is passed through the sample, some light is absorbed by the sample and other is emitted by this sample, and this is your reference sample. Reference can be your H2 water, and this is your detector. Then after passing this light from this sample or reference, this detector is attack these radiations, and with help of this recorder we are able to find our spectra. This is our UV visible spectra. Then there are two types of spectrophotometers. One is single beam spectrophotometer, another is double beam spectrophotometer. As the name suggests, in case of single beam spectrophotometer, this is your monochromatic light and polychromatic light, and this is your monochromator. Then when light is passed through this light source, this is monochromator converts this polychromatic light into a single beam, and this is attracted by sample and then recorded by this detector, and we find our spectra. And then similarly this is also done for our reference sample. But in case of double beam spectrophotometer, we have light source, and this is our diffracting grating. This convert our white light into our polychromatic light. This is again our monochromator which change this polychromatic light into a single beam. Then this is our mirrors. This differentiate this single beam into two radiations. One is passed through our reference sample and another is passed through our sample. Then these are two detectors, and our radiation and our radiations attracted by this detector and then converted into signals by recorder. So this is our double beam spectrophotometer. What is the advantage of single beam spectrophotometer? These are cheap as comparison to double beam spectrophotometer, but one disadvantage of this single beam spectrophotometer is it takes higher time to detect our. But in case of a double beam spectrophotometer, there is an advantage. It takes less time to give us spectra for UV visible spectroscopy. But one disadvantage of this double beam is it is more expensive as comparison to single beam spectrophotometer. Thank you.